just trying to check you out. I'm just trying to see what you about. Let me know what's up, I'm in route. I ain't trying wild to stress you out. Come swing my way for a little bit.
Ooh, hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a quick hair review slash show and tell slash a styling little, contraction on this unit that I'm currently rocking. This wig is from Allove Hair. I will leave all their information down below in my description box. So the way this video is going to roll, I'm going to insert some clips of me styling this hair after I give you guys my opinion of this unit. So if you guys want to see how I styled this hair, go ahead and stay tuned until the end. But throughout this little commentary, I'm going to show you some other, like a little application, just, for some little aesthetics to be popping all the way through. So let's get into the details of this hair. This hair is from AlloveHair.com. I'll leave, like I said, all their information down below in the description box and the exact specs on this unit. This wig, I believe, is like 100 and I think it's considered 150% density, but to me it's more like 140% density. But I love how lightweight it is. It's 18 inches long, and I'll insert some clips so you guys can see how long it looks before I added the curls to it. It looks so beautiful, and I have been wearing this hair for 3 days now, and I'm gonna be honest with you, I barely styled it today because I was so in love with how this wig looked in a ponytail. So that's how I've been rocking it until I decided to insert these curls in this wig tonight. This wig is considered to be a 4x4 closure wig. So you don't get that much parting. It's about, I guess, 4 inches of parting. And that's how the parting space looks. I'll insert the cap construction so you guys can see how that looks. I feel like this is beginner friendly and a cost-effective unit. Now you do get lace from ear to ear, but that's like my only con when it comes to this unit. The actual like frontal like area is it's kind of like small. The cap construction is a medium-sized cap construction that I got, but the ear to ear part, it gave me a little bit of a struggle. So that's the only con, but maybe that's why they call this a closure wig. I don't know, I'm a little bit confused about that. But you do get lace, in the front perimeter area, as well as you'll see on the screen how much parting space you get. So I don't know if I mentioned that, but this is a body wave wig, and you guys know how I feel about body wave units. I definitely prefer body wave textures over straight textures. So during these past 3 days, I haven't gotten a lot of shedding. I haven't gotten any tangling. I have been sleeping in this unit, and it's been holding up really nicely. And it's definitely holding a curl very well. I'm gonna call these curls like a romantic kind of curl, and they were so easy. Like it took me like maybe 15 minutes to curl this unit. So even though it's not the fullest density wig, to me it's so appropriate for this time of year because it's been like 105 here in California. So being able to manipulate this hair in different ways, wearing it up in a ponytail, but even if I want to wear it down, it's so lightweight that I won't be too hot in this wig. So I guess that's enough of me rambling. I'm going to go ahead and insert the clip of me curling this wig. You guys let me know how you feel about this unit down below in the comment section. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give me a thumbs up. And yeah, let's get right into it. So that pretty much wraps up this styling portion of this video. If you are interested in checking this wig out, I will leave a link to Allove Hair down below in my description box. Let me know what you think about this unit, and if you want to see more tutorials, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. And until next time, you guys, I'll see you in my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.